What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. And right now, well, we're back at it again. We're traveling. I just left the shop right now. Just met up with Steve and one of his guys from S&K. They're doing some minor little touch-ups, some little mishaps that might have happened while during testing. But that hopper is looking good. It is looking good. Now, we have a really big photo shoot and media day coming up with that car. So you haven't really seen any updates from it. Well, it's because they requested no more updates on it. So I could put in a little snippets from some stuff that was from, you know, some older videos or some older footage that I've had. But no updates for you guys. I'm sorry, you guys just got to stay. And speaking of that, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed. That way you guys don't miss out on any of that live action. But for right now, we are on our way to Ontario International Airport, and we're going to be jumping on a plane, heading over to Albuquerque, and we're going to be meeting up with some really good dealers of ours. They've been Hoppos authorized dealers for years, and they have grown. We've been able to watch them grow from this little shop with a huge personality to this big shop with a big personality, and we absolutely love them. It's a great family atmosphere, and we just love the way they interact with their customers. And we're gonna go out there and we're gonna give them a little surprise visit, and on top of that, they're gonna be in our booth for this show.
Raider.
All right, guys, we have made it. It's freaking hot. It is hot.
And I'm sunburned, and I'm saying it's hot.
He's burning up right now. Look at his shoulders are red. See, this is why you wear your PPE while you're welding. Don't do what I do. But we've made it to Dominguez Customs. Look at these guys. These guys are living large out here. Big old shop. All right, let's go in. Let's go give him a little sneak attack, a little surprise. We're just gonna go in like we own the place. And look at that. Are you working hard or are you hardly working? How are you? How you doing?
Super show.
Who'd you say? Stupid Mike. What did Mike tell you?
Mike.
Yeah, stupid Mike. Where are you, Mike? Yeah, Supervisor Mike. Supervisor Mike. Frames on frames on frames. These guys are killing it out here. These ones right here, specifically. Love you guys. Man, look at these guys. We've watched them grow up to be such a good little company. All joking around, but no, seriously. I mean, we've known them forever, and now just seeing them transition into just pulling out bigger builds, bigger, better. You know how it is. You know, it just snowballs, and it just one car leads to another car, and before you know it, you're building 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolling chassis just inside the shop here, and a few more right outside in the base. So love seeing it, love seeing how busy they are, and the quality of the work obviously is amazing. So now we gotta bear this heat out here, because you can see I'm already red. What the heck? I look really red in the camera.
Yeah, no, your
Look,
chest is...
I look really red. What the heck? Alright guys, we are all set up here in Albuquerque. We got the booth set up. We got Dominguez Customs in our booth as well. And now I'm gonna try to get around and get a little walkthrough on the show and check everything out. Right now is the perfect time for us to be able to enjoy the show, because tomorrow is gonna be a madhouse. Make sure you guys, well, dang, I can't even say make sure you guys stop by the booth, because you guys are watching this after the show. So if you guys are stopping by the booth, thank you guys for stopping by. Yeah, it's kind of a weird time warp. I can't really say that. So yeah, let's go. Mike, you made it? Look it. Oh, that's cool. I love that, man. Appreciate that. Show for us in Albuquerque. We will be at Monster headquarters on Wednesday, right after we fly back. I appreciate all you guys. This show was amazing. As you guys can hear, my voice is shot, but it was a great turnout. Look at everyone around here. Everyone's packing up. Everyone's ready to go home. We were tired. We were beat. Albuquerque, thank you guys. We love you, and hopefully we'll be back next year. Are you sure? I'm gonna have all the bloopers, everything right now.
I want to give a big shout out to the Hoppos team for coming down to Albuquerque, always showing support. Shout out to the Monster Energy team for sponsoring the tour, and big shout out to Prestigious Car Club.
There you go. You guys heard it. You guys heard it. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, we are back from Albuquerque. Oh, can we just take a moment to take a nap? We just flew back late last night. I got home right around 8:30 last night. Tried to toss this video together, try to get somewhat edited for you guys. And I woke up around 5 o'clock. I said, no, I gotta go back to sleep. I went back to sleep about 7. And then I woke up to a phone call about 8 and said, hey, we're at your shop. Where are you guys at? I'm like, the guys are there. I'm not there. We're just getting back from Albuquerque. And they go, well, we're there. We're ready to film. And well, guess what? We got all the guys here. Everybody's here. They did a little sneak attack on us like we did to Dominguez in this video. I guess it was payback. It was definitely payback. I can't show you guys everything in this on this hopper. I can't. You guys gotta wait for that. You guys gotta subscribe. You guys gotta like. You guys gotta share. and you guys will be able to see a lot more after that. But for right now, we're getting all caught up. I guess we're filming today, so my whole plans and scheduling is I don't know. AJ's tired, he's back there, he's tired, we're all tired. But I love you guys, man. Albuquerque, thank you guys. I appreciate you. We had a good time out there. So for now, we're gonna cut it. We'll see you guys next time. See you on the next video. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you out there. We're out. Later. Good night. I'm going to sleep. Bye.
Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell if I vote for anybody that gotta know. Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game